Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name's Max. I'm sat in a Hymer Class A motorhome and we've installed the Kenwood motorhome head unit, the DNR 992 RVS. This is how it looks inside the dashboard here. 10.1 inch screen really suits this dashboard, and yeah, big, nice, easy to use screen. This has a built-in Motorhome type navigation which you can input the height, the width, the weight of the vehicle, so you don't end up going down roads you shouldn't be. And it also has the ability to do wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto and HDMI and DAB. And also a great feature of this head unit is we've actually added a reverse camera. I'll show you to the back of the car. Now it already came in with a reverse camera. You can just put it into reverse, but as I'm not sat on that side, I'm just going to hit this shortcut. Here is the new reverse camera we fitted. This is a Kenwood HD CMOS 740 camera, and the customer already had another reverse camera on the vehicle which had twin inputs. This is one of the views, but it's a little bit blocked by the bike carrier, which isn't ideal, and even more when the bikes are actually on the bike carrier. And another view, which is just a bit of a view looking back, but it's gone a bit cloudy. But this is now his new rear view camera. When he switches to reverse, he will see exactly like this, and it's not going to get blocked by the bike carrier at all, but he still has the other options to cycle through if he wants to see them. The rotary control dial is very nice in these, very nice and easy to use, and that's sort of what the Kenwood head unit looks like in the dashboard. I'm going to have a quick whiz round to the back of the car just to show you the reverse camera. Big vehicle, this definitely requires a reverse camera, and here we are at the back of the motorhome. Our reverse camera just sits just down there, so that's going to allow you to see any small people, children, no walls that you're not going to see otherwise from the front. That's it. If you've got a motorhome, you want to get some upgrades to it, whether that be for the stereo, the speakers, or a reverse camera to aid you with backing up these big monsters, then please get in contact with ourselves at John Cleese Cardio. Take care and have a nice day.